So this puzzle is part of the Ravensburger Krypt series. This is the only one of the Krypt series that I recommend or would do again. This is a gradient on the Krypt series. So the Krypt series basically is a circular puzzle in the middle surrounded by a rectangular border. So every piece is totally different. This one was doable despite that because I had the gradient, which helped guide me to, okay, this is where some of the pieces should go and how they should fit together. So you can see what I'm doing first is I'm yanking a lot of those yellow pieces out of sort of my pile, my partially flipped pile, and putting them together. And so I could actually find the border on this one, and the border was so much easier to build than the single color Krypt because I could use that gradient to guide me. And once I've gotten that border done, one of the great things is I'm just kind of filling in what's left. I have done some of the circle in the middle, even though it's a little bit tougher from a color perspective, just because it was really easy to spot the circular pieces in the middle. So generally in a circular puzzle, there's a little like knob piece that goes in the middle. I sort of saw the knob piece and I saw pieces that were very, very heavily curved, meaning they went directly around it. So did grab those and put them in. But the great thing now is, look where this puzzle is. I'm doing it not quite the same way as the box is showing. But you can see how quickly it's moving because I'm able to really use that gradient to say, I think this piece should go in this general area. I did a single color Krypt puzzle after this, the pink Krypt. Awful, will not do again. I know that part of the Krypt series is there is a key within the puzzle that you can use to help solve it. I didn't use that because I was trying to use it for kind of piece training. Did not enjoy. So now, continuing to fit in some of those pieces. Having to move various things on my table. This was before I realized I could just have my iPad, which stands up very nicely, do timing. I was trying to time on a phone and not so nice. So now this is really speeding up because I'm able to, again, use that gradient. And so now what I'm trying to do a little bit, not super effectively, is actually frame out the border just to kind of say, okay, well, here's what's going to be left. I'm also trying to finish up the very much blue section. So there goes the border. And so now that I've got that, I'm actually able to just kind of grab pieces that I think fit, test them, and then put them to the side if they don't work. So it is going pretty quickly, especially for a Krypt puzzle. It's not really possible to shape sort here because all the shapes are so weird. But yeah. Now just testing and tossing. There we are, 150.